Alright, today I'm going to change the transmission fluid on my Honda Fit. It's a 2007 Honda Fit, and I think it takes about 2 quarts if it's just drained and refilled, about 2 quarts from what I read. And yeah, so it has 2 plugs, 1 drain plug and 1 refill plug. So I got some of the Honda transmission fluid for manual transmission, and I got 2 washers. These 2 washers are for the drain plug. One one's for the drain plug and one one's for the refill plug. Yeah, so I'm just gonna just drain it and refill it. I've never done this before, but one of the plugs should, I guess you can just stick any kind of the 3/4 inch the sockets in there, and it should just fit in there, and you can just take it off. So I'll go ahead and give that a shot. So I got the drain plug and the refill plug broken. So here you go. But I also have to remove the refill plug, which is yeah, so you can kind of see a little better. So that fell out. Okay, so I should actually probably get a little closer. So let that kind of drip out a little bit more. Okay, so I got the drain plug washers, and as you can see, this one is the old one. It's a little gummed up. So I'm gonna get rid of that one, put this new one on there. So got that. It's a lot smaller. I don't know if I like it. No, this old one is not too great either. So I guess I'll take the chance, but I guess I don't recommend you guys getting washers from this Pico brand. It's kind of it's a lot smaller, so I don't know. I guess I wish I would have seen it before I would have taken it off, and I probably would have even got the original one, but I guess it doesn't fit too bad. Yeah, so I'll put it on and see what happens. Okay, another thing I got was the refill kit from Amazon. I think I paid like $7 or something like that. It was really cheap. So this is pump. It's really cheap pump. I was actually gonna buy this $70 one, but it's not really that complicated. I don't think I need that. So I got this one. It's really cheap, so I should do the job. Alright, so this tube is a little shorter than that would like. So I have to kind of raise. Not a lot of space down here. Kind of hold it, and now I'm just gonna pump.
So I have to mention that I have the drain plug reinstalled, so make sure that's separate. So they replaced the washer, so it's in there. I should put it to the proper specs. But you do. So this one is a lot clearer. It's a lot clearer, so it's gonna be a while. So I'll probably just fast forward this and show you what. Yeah, so I'll probably fast forward this and show you the rest.
Alright, I got the first cord done. So I'm just gonna let it hang there until I find the other cord. I bought 3 cords just to be sure, but I'm pretty sure this second cord is gonna finish it, or I hope anyway. So I got another cord, so I'll just continue the process, and I'm pretty sure that this thing won't take any more than a second. So next time I'll just get a longer tube. You can probably get one of these at Pet Shop for a few bucks. These tubes here. This one's kind of short, so it's really annoying. You gotta hold it up. Or I could have probably just placed it on something to support the port. Oh, here we go. Okay, so
it's going. I'm just gonna watch it until it starts to overflow. So it'll start to spill out of the refill plug hole. I'm not sure if I'm blowing the fluid as well, but try to have your car on a level surface. I don't have it on a level surface, but
it's starting to overflow, I believe. Let me try to. Yeah, okay. Now it's really starting to overflow. Okay. So now that it's overflowing, I'm just gonna stop there.
and I'll put the refill plug back on. What I'm gonna do is lower the car and continue the process. I mean, I can't really show that because the wheel will be in the way, so when I start refilling, the wheel's gonna kind of block. I can't show too much of that, but pretty much gonna do the same thing I'm doing here. It's just get it to a more level surface. The problem is that my horizon.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this again. Alright, so can't really reach in there with my hand, so I gotta do this with my there's not much space, so what maybe I can. Let me give it another shot at a different angle. Maybe I can put my hand in there. Gotta use 2 fingers. Okay, there you go. So I kind of did it. Put my hand over the inner boot, the inner seat axle boot, and just kind of hand turned it until it's seated. And now I'm just gonna tighten it with my ratchet here. Yeah, I definitely recommend, unless you have the axles off, to use an extension. So anyway, so this is how I kind of put the extension through. I ran it over the control arm the boot, the inner control arm boot, and to the right of the inner CV axle. So yeah, so I'm just tightening it up right now. So okay, so that's about it. That's all there is really to it. So the car took about one and a half quarts of transmission fluid. So it was pretty easy. Just the first time, that's not so hard. So what you need is transmission fluid, the 2 washers, the number 17 socket, really long extension, and what really helps too is this my socket adapter here. So that really helped me a lot. So if you have one of those, it's gonna save you a lot of trouble. So on the 2007 Honda Fit, that's how you replace your transmission fluid.